much fun.
Oh, I'm getting tired.
Swimming faster. Maybe he can pop rock. There you go. No word shuffle?
Like this hand is going on a journey.
Can you do,
Space and time.
can you do a Melbourne shuffle, Jim? Yeah.
I can't.
I figure you out.
Okay, Britney Spears.
How about the moonwalk? Oh, wait, do it one more time. Do it one more time. Do it one more time.
Whoa.
Any other requests?
I didn't see the Melbourne Shuffle.
do Bruce Lee.
I can't do it.
No, you know how like he always tells them to come to him? You know how he always tells them to come to him? You know how he always like tells you to come to him? Like come hither. Try that. Now try to do it more enticing. No, that's not enticing. Like you're trying to like, you know what I mean? I don't know. Slower. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Oh, bark like a dog. What the heck was that?
That's like a chicken.
Yo, that's, I don't know what that is. Ah, dinosaur. Hey, the light's moving, Jimmy. I need you that way. It's too close to that thing over there.
It's an ostrich.
Yeah, pick at the ground. Pick at the ground.
Whoa, how'd you do that, dude? Yo, it even had the little flower thing through it. That was cool. How are you doing that? He lost it. Doesn't have it.
Yo, what the f?
Yo, he's morphing or something.
Holy shit, man.
Did you see that shit?
What the fuck?
Have two of them. Have two of them go up against each other.
God.
Two of them. Where's the other one? Have them go up against each other. Oh no. Chaos is beating him down. He's talking smack. What the heck? He's a pretty tough dude.
King of the llamas.
How does he do that eye? Because it's like little, you can see the LEDs in it.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Charlie, shut up. You're cracking me up, man.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Yo, Jerry, do a David Chappelle skit.
No, do the Cat Williams.
Cat Williams. Every day I'm hustling.
Do the shopping cart.
I can't. They swim backwards.
Eat this lighter.
Pop, pop.
Where's the lighter? Eat this lighter.
Oh my god, what? Huh?
Eat the lighter.
Eat the lighter?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, what the heck? Special effects gone wrong. I can't. No, I mean like chomp on it. Like take it out of my hand.
Oh, I can't. Oh.
Oh, okay, cool. Didn't come out how I planned it.
Hey guys.
Let me see that flashlight. Jimmy, let me see that flashlight. Alright, you gotta try and stay in the light, okay? Because that's your. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Oh shit.
I'll tell you what you did.
All right. Maybe this isn't gonna work out so
Here,
well.
I'll keep the flashlight there.
It seemed to work better like at an angle, so
So like, say if this moved over here, you would have to go.
Oh, what?
You know what I mean?
Oh my god.
it's bang. There's a light going.
Yeah, he's
There's a light going.
Turn your head a little bit, like left and right. Like you're finding it. Do you need a map? Break out a map.
I'm already getting tired.
That's too bad, buddy.
That's cool.